Hey, it's Fuzzy back here. Okay, you guys, I've been fighting with dry skin, dry scalp. I don't know if they call it dandruff, but where I live is like 3,000 feet above sea level, so we're really dry and windy and so on and so forth. And in the wintertime, everything gets dry, right? Now, I haven't got long hair, but as it gets longer, it gets worse. But I try to keep it like a number four cut, and I'll tell you what, it still comes back, and you got flakes and everything. Well, guess what? I'll tell you what. Now, this Roycederm shampoo is amazing, okay? Seborrheic, dermatitis, if you've got psoriasis, it will help you on your head and maybe around your scalp, even, and just leave it on. One thing about it is you got to leave it on your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, it's really hard for me to do that because I'm used to getting out of the shower and dressed and out of the bathroom in 5 minutes. But anyway, so I bought a timer. It's right up there in the shower, and I time it and make sure I get full use out of this, and go from there. Now, if you back it up with the conditioner, you can even do a better job. So it does come together, and I'll tell you what, 2 days in, it was good. Come Christmas time, you get up and you're lazy and you don't feel like showering that day. So I did give it a really good chance to not work and then work and then work. But you know what? It worked all through that 2 week period where Christmas was, and so on and so forth, where you didn't wash your hair one day and you did the next day, or you skipped 2 days, and I'll tell you what, it's gone. I got no more flakes. It's awesome, man. I'll tell you what, this is the greatest stuff I've ever found so far, and that's my review. Hey guys, if you want to subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff, the links are in the description for this, and I'll tell you what, it's amazing. I don't lie about this stuff. I try it, I let it work, I make sure it works, and if it doesn't work, whoosh, back I goes, and I don't lie about that. Anyway, take care out there.